everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make this super simple tomato sauce. You can use this tomato sauce for any pasta, but I think it works best with ravioli. The recipe I'm using came from TikTok and I'll have the link to it in the description, but when I saw it, I just had to make it. So let's get started with the video. In a large pot of water, add salt. Bring the water to a boil and then add your pasta. Boil your pasta for however long it says to on the box. Next, in a saucepan over medium heat, add olive oil. Then sauté half a diced onion. Cook your onions for about 5 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Cook everything together for about 1 minute and then add half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of rosemary, and half a teaspoon of basil. Cook everything together for another 30 seconds to a minute and then add 1 cup of tomato paste. Cook your tomato paste for about 2 to 3 minutes. When you're finished cooking your tomato paste, mix in 1 teaspoon of sugar, a half a cup of milk, 1/3 cup of ricotta cheese, and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. This is optional, but you could also add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then last but not least, add a bit of your pasta water. Once everything is mixed together, you are all finished. Once you finish making your sauce and cooking your pasta, you can plate everything up. And this is the finished result. This sauce is so simple, but so freaking good. It's a very simple tomato sauce, but it is delicious. I actually plan on making this later. Oh, and if you make it, you should sprinkle a bit of Italian seasoning and grated Parmesan cheese on top of your pasta. That makes it even better. I'll have a link to the TikTok where I found this recipe in the description. I recommend giving this a try. It's a very easy and quick recipe. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!